Burgett, Director of Choral Activities here at UNC. Bienvenidos! Welcome to our concert. The conception of this concert was an outgrowth of the sabbatical research I did while I was in Mexico during the fall of 2023. My goal was to present this program from the most authentic voice possible. Thus, Sergio and Citlali, our two graduate students from Mexico, have played a substantive role in the preparation and conducting of much of our music. An essential component of this concert is to include not only the folk elements of Mexico, with which we are most familiar, but, as you have heard, to include music representing indigenous voices of Mexico, alongside the beautiful Padilla piece, as you heard, that represents the Novo-Hispanic era, taken from the Puebla Cathedral. Our next piece, prior to our 10-minute intermission, is one I was directed toward by Dr. Luisa Villar, our guest speaker, who is giving our pre-concert talk this evening. And so she pointed this piece out to me as we were visiting the archives of the Mexico City Cathedral. Ignacio de Jerusalem, his Dixit Dominus, was in the archives at that time in manuscript form, but to our knowledge has never been transcribed into modern notation to be performed modern day. Sergio transcribed this piece for our soprano, alto, chamber choir singers, strings, and organ. And this piece will be heard performed possibly for the first time in over 250 years. Jerusalem's Dixit Dominus.